Perfect moisturizer. It does have an SPF 15 in it. This is the day cream. Really, I use this stuff every single day. Is that a cat hair? Ew. Want some cat hair in your moisturizer. Anyways, so I use this every single freaking day before I put on my face. And that's how I actually grab my moisturizer. I never put my nail in there. Kind of get it like a little claw, kind of weird little dinosaur claw thing, and then I just kind of scoop it. Because I think that's kind of gross. You're sticking your nail in there. Like, I don't know where your nail's been. It's just disgusting. Just certain things I'm like a little bit of a germaphobe about. That's like it, okay? It's just certain things. It's like, you know, when you touch the same handle as like someone else, you know, daily, you're like, oh, where's the hand sanitizer? Especially public bathrooms. I'm like, where is the paper towel so I can cover the handle and then turn it? You know what I mean? Like, that's me. That would be me. I know you're probably thinking, like, why are you using, like, stuff that's, like, age perfecting? I feel like if you start while you're young, you're not gonna be dealing with, like, a lot of, like, as far as, like, wrinkles go and all that great stuff. So it's better to start taking care of your face earlier because the outcome's gonna just look so much better as you get older. Just saying. By the way, you guys, I know it's been kind of like a really long time since I've done a video for you. And I know I'm not like this much like of a talkative person, so I've kind of overcoming it, kind of sort of. I'm still kind of getting used to doing these sorts of being comfortable doing a video for you. I'm gonna start with the eyeballs. Just because if I do get any kind of, you know, eyeshadow or anything like underneath here, I can always just kind of wipe it with like a makeup wipe and then it's gone. I'm gonna start off by using this Sleek makeup. This is like an oldie but like a goodie, I guess. I know so many people that have used this makeup brand. I've just always wanted to try it, so I seen it at freaking, where is it at? Seen it at TJ Maxx. It was like what, like $3, maybe like $4. I don't know. I'm just like, you know what? I've been really wanting to give this brand a try. So this is the lot whiter shade. So as you can see, I'm pretty fucking white. Oh, you know, hey, another cat hair. Hey. So I do have 3 cats. Yeah, that's what I have, cat hair everywhere. So if there's like, if you see me doing this, girl, you already know. However, just so you guys know, this kind of might be like one of those random ass videos that I'm like talking about different shit and then I'm doing my makeup at the same time. So I really don't know what this video is going to be called at this point. I'm actually going to dig into this middle one here. This right here. Don't judge me about my sponge. So I'm just going to kind of prep everything. Look, there's like a cat hair flying. And that's why I have cat hair in my eye. Riley, that's why I have cat hair in my eyeball. Thanks. So yeah, we're just gonna kind of blend this on all out. I'm gonna start using the air spun. I'm probably gonna get a lot of people saying, oh my god, no, she did not just say that she's gonna be using that on her freaking eyeballs. I know a lot of people have had bad reviews, but let me be honest with you, girl. I mean, I like this powder. It comes in a humongous freaking thing that you can just go buy at Walmart. I like it. I think it's a great powder. I don't think it's bad. Maybe you're using it wrong. Maybe you're not using the right concealer. I mean, I don't know. I mean, products don't work with every single product. You know what I mean? And that's what people just don't get. So we're not going for like a specific look really. But I am going to show you the products that I have recently got. I have actually bought myself. One of them, I bought this. So now we're just going to kind of go in with the eyes because they're ready to go. And I wanted to use either the e.l.f. chromatic eyeshadow palette, and I couldn't decide if I wanted to use the Bird of Paradise or the Posh Peacock. If you guys have not used these eyeshadows, I mean, holy shit. When you put them on, it's like, damn. You know what I mean? Okay, this is what they look like. If you guys want to see. So very beautiful. So really nice warm tones, like on this side right here. Honestly, I mean, you can do like day, night type of shit. You can even fucking combine the two. You don't even have to use just this palette. You can just, that's what I would do. I don't know. I think that's what I might do. I don't know. We're gonna see how this goes. We are gonna kind of see how this goes. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off by using this Eco Tools brush. This is their crease crease brush. This is their Crease 415 brush. So it's really like a really nice fluffy brush. I always like to start, I like to use this brush for the transition color. I couldn't even think of it for a second. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Bird of Paradise palette. And I'm just going to actually dig into this lighter orange here. Yeah, you guys like see what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to blend this right into the crease here. And just kind of build a little bit here and just kind of blend it all the way out. I think I might dip into that greener-ish lid, or greener color. I've been seeing that you guys, like, I've been getting like more subscribers on YouTube, dude. I mean, I know I've been dealing with like a lot of stuff lately. I've been trying to get like a different job. We're gonna grab this darker orange color. I'm just gonna kind of stay like just on the lid pretty much, and then just kind of blend it out. Pat it on the edge here. My parents actually moved. Okay, moving on. So switching on to the e.l.f. Cosmetics Posh Peacock. I'm gonna dig into this pretty green. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab this Morphe M330 brush, and I'm just gonna grab this dark plum color right here. And I'm actually just gonna put that on the edges right here, just to kind of give it like a little something something. Alright, so I'm gonna use the MAC Insta Curl Lash. I like to use the Nip and Fab. This is the No Needle Fix Serum. Like one day I was really like, screw it, I'm just gonna use it. I used to use this stuff all the time. So I like to cover up what we got going on here in other areas of my face that I just think are just... Okay, so I'm gonna use this Sleek Makeup. This is their color corrector palette. So it looks like this. Let's grab some green. I'm just gonna kind of get rid of what we call redness. I don't know. I feel like I've just been getting this red pink BS on my face. I do like this stuff. I think I tried a different primer. I think it was the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer with this foundation, and it did not come out good. It didn't even look like skin. It looked like scaly, dried up makeup on your face. Okay, so moving on to my foundation. I have been really loving this stuff because, dude, it's like full coverage. They're kind of similar, but this one has like way more coverage. Me, I always want a very nice, beautiful, clean canvas, so we are going to be using this one. So this is the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation. I should have probably went like a lighter shade. I'm going to be dripping some of these e.l.f. Booster Drops. Okay, we have a wet sponge now. Now I can just kind of dip it. Okay, so I just kind of like to let it spread all... I can see it. I can see it. That one was just hanging there. Yeah, so do you see like what I'm talking about? Like, look, I mean, my skin still looks like skin. Like a little bit of my neck, just so it kind of blends, like, you know, out. And like, this is the Maybelline. This is their Fit Me, excuse me. This is their Fit Me concealer. So me, I am like, I'm so glad I can always fall back onto this concealer because it is a good concealer, but it also is a cheap concealer. So that is what I really like. I just really love the formula. It blends out really nicely. I don't have to hurry up and blend it out really, really, really fast. I can kind of just take my time on it. I wish they made like a bigger bottle, but you know. All right, I'm just gonna flip my sponge over. So this is my foundation side. I'm gonna use this side. And I'm just gonna... I don't know. Now I'm gonna use the air sponge. So I ended up buying the bigger one. This is the Too Faced. This is the chocolate Sol. I have no idea how you would pronounce that. I love the way this smells. It smells like a freaking milkshake to me. This is the medium deep matte bronzer. So this is obviously way freaking darker for me. But I do like to use this to kind of cut right in there. So I'm just going to use this Morphe 105 brush. My goodness, girl, we cannot speak today. Going back to the e.l.f. Cosmetics Chromatic Eyeshadow Palette. It's a lighter purple here, and then we'll kind of go into this one. And I actually had time to do a video today for you guys because everyone left. Everyone freaking left. Oh my god. Charger ready, freaking monitor charged. Let's do this. Because I know I haven't done one in a really long time. Haven't done one on YouTube. I like to bring my color back by using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. This is what I call bringing the color back to your face. Gonna add some blush. To use the Smashbox. This is the LA Lights Blush and Highlight Palette. Okay, so I'm just gonna do lips. So the lips, I'm gonna use this MAC. This was another thing that I bought because I've never really bought a MAC lip liner. This is just their lip pencil. This is in the color Soar. I don't have any like brand new lipsticks, and I'm really picky when it comes to lipsticks, and the ones that I've bought, whether it's satin, matte, just some of them, just sometimes like they get too dry on my freaking lips, and then I just have, I don't know if you guys like can see, I'm already kind of like drying like my lips, like I'm already getting one of those ugly lines. I'm just gonna use the by Beauty. This is their buttercream lipstick. This is in the color Heather. So it's just a very pretty, you know, mauve-y, pinky color. I think that's cute. But yeah, I really like the buttercream lipsticks by Beauty. I just think they kind of just gently, like if you're eating something or whatever, they just kind of slowly like fade away, and then it's like your natural lips, you know. I'm gonna start off by using like one highlighter, and then I'm gonna use like another one just because I feel like, you know, shining bright like a diamond. So I'm gonna use the Tarte. This is the Pro Glow to Go. I don't even think that City Colors even makes this highlighter anymore. I'm just gonna put like a little bit in here. So before, oh bitch, oh shit, oh my god. And I kind of brighten these little sides up on my brow bone because I'm feeling spicy. Alright guys, this would be the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Give me a thumbs up, show some love. Maybe press that subscribe button. That'd be cool too. Hope I can get more of these videos out for you guys.